Hello, this is a Ridgid wet tile saw. This particular one is model number R4031. As you can see in this video, the bushings have gone bad. This is creating a massive amount of sparks. In this next clip, I will show you how easy it is to change out the bad bushings. The first thing we will need to do is make sure the power has been removed. So unplug the saw. Then rotate the saw to its 45-degree angle so that you can access the bushings. The bushings are on both sides of the saw. You can see them in the circle. Next, you will need a flathead screwdriver to remove the cover. Once the cover has been removed, you can pull out the bushings. Here you can see that the bushings are not worn down but have chipped and are not making good contact with the motor of the saw. It's a bit hard to see in the video, but the wire in between the spring is actually discolored and smells of electrical burn. This is a clear indication that his bushing has shorted at some point. Let's now look at the other side. This side looks to be even worse than the first bushing. You can see a major chip in the graphite. And we have the same discoloration on the wire. Let's find the correct bushing to replace these two. This is a kit of all assorted bushing and all the different sizes that are available. I have a few saws, drills, and grinders, and they all take these graphite bushings. So I just bought a variety kit to have in the shop. This one looks about right. As you can see, the one we took out is worn down more than I thought compared to the new one. Now, let's place the new bushings into the saw. There is no wrong way to put these guys in. And the back brass section only fits when lined up correctly. So it's hard to make a mistake. Alright, now that the bushings have been replaced, let's plug the saw back in and see if it works. You can still see sparks, but this is normal and the sparks are minimal compared to before. And we are no longer getting that electrical burning smell. At startup it seems to throw a lot more sparks. I believe this is due to the new bushing being new. The bushing graphite wears as the motor spins, and these new bushings need to run for a bit to mold evenly with the spinning motor. As you can see here, the sparks are down to a minimum and we have only ran it for a few seconds. And that is how you change the bushings on a wet tile saw. So if your saw stops working, or you're getting an electrical burning smell, my first go-to would be the bushings.